This is the only available footage of the queen actually being released.
Okay, we're about to get in the hives for the first time, really look at them. We released the queen a week ago. So what we want to do is make sure that she's still in there. They're drawing out comb and doing everything that they should. So I lost my display. Okay. Look like they're about to start boiling out the top. So let's just choose a frame and see how it looks. Here we go. Okay, look out, ladies. Always try to be real careful not to squish any. Good Lord, I'd say they're busy. They are drawing it out. Right now what we're doing, I'm looking to see if I see the queen anywhere. This has been a very gentle bunch of bees. Okay, don't see her there. Okay, look out, girls. Yeah, now they're starting to let me know they're not happy, which I wouldn't be either. Yet they're drawing the comb out. They have been doing, this hive's been going through a quart of sugar water a day. There she is. See that dot, that green dot? That's her. So she's here, she's walking around. And I am seeing that's nectar in those. I'm just trying to see if she's laying any. Okay, and I see some in there, so she is laying. We're gonna check one more, and then we'll go to our other one. Look out, girls. Okay. This is drawn out very nicely. Oh yeah. So we're not gonna aggravate these anymore. I don't need to go through. I can look down in there and see that they are drawing out comb on every single one of these 10 frames. So that is what I needed to know. Now we'll cover these girls back up and leave them alone and move on to our other hive. We'll come back later and install some small hive beetle traps. Haven't seen any this year, but we're trying to keep all that under control. Okay, on to our second one. And this will be nice because it's in the shade. And these have been going through almost a half gallon of sugar water a day. These girls are just working insanely fast. Okay, and looking down in there, see it on there. Okay, I see. It doesn't appear they've started on these two or that one. So they're covering all except these two frames right here. I really expected, as busy as they have been, more, but let's see if maybe we can luck out and get our queen on the first one. That's our real main thing coming in here. Yeah, these are. Okay. And that's all, see, they're capping that off. These are stores, this is not brood. They're getting stuff capped off for food supply. We want to see brood. There's our queen right there, first frame. Walking around. And there's some where she's, okay, she's laying in some of these. Okay. Put this in and we'll look at one more and then we leave these girls alone. Always have to be a lot more careful with the gloves on. You don't get stung, but you can hurt more bees because you don't feel them. So trying to ensure I'm not squishing anybody. Okay. Yeah, these little girls are a little more aggressive than the others. I got a lot of them up here by my head, letting me know they're not too happy about this. But they're drawing that out nice. See a lot of stores. I'm not seeing brood. Okay, they're in there. See if you can zoom in. See those little curly cues at the bottom of that? That's the bee larva. They just haven't capped it over yet. So she's been laying and she's been busy. That's what we wanted to know. Now we're just we won't be getting back in here for a while, just except to put in our small hive beetle traps, and we're just gonna leave them alone and let them do their job. Hey, look out, girls. Here we come. I did want to do, before I close them up, try to capture a little slow motion footage on these girls.